How you doing, Ben?
Good.
Good. So we're at Winding Trails.
Yeah.
And we're going to fly the drone, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
It's our first try, really. We flew it in the backyard, but we have trees everywhere.
Yeah.
We got it for free at Dave & Buster's. We've already beat it up a little bit. We've got our federal registration number, so we're legal. And we're going to try it out. It has a camera on it, so we'll see what that does. And we brought the GoPro as well, so we'll go ahead and see what happens. We've got a giant field out here. Should have plenty of space for inexperienced drone pilots.
Yeah.
Right, Luke?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should have brought the.
Doesn't work particularly well in the living room, we learned.
No.
No, it doesn't. Why not?
Although it was awesome.
I picked up something squishy and I thought it was dog crap, and it was just food.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah, people over there watching.
All right, here we go. Flying the drone. Try it out. Oh. So quick?
I have a charge phone in my pocket.
Whoa. Is this cool, Benny? Wow, look at it spin in the air. That's so cool.
Yeah, I can't get it back from there.
Luke, there's an opening down over there.
You can fly it again if you want.
Okay.
Hey Luke, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, you push. You don't have to do it, but that's how you get the video once it's up.
We're gonna see if it flies.
Take a second. See if you can figure it out. Once it gets out of control, bring it back down. I want to go that way. There you go. Nice. Did you got the video on?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, that's nothing.
Alright. Benny's turn.
Yeah.
Go grab it, Benny.
Okay. That's fun. So fun.
Don't worry.
Your mom want to time me? See how fast I can run to that hill and back?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You don't want to watch Benny fly the drone first?
I do.
Let's
Ooh,
watch
it's
Benny
warm.
go.
It's not cold this way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Chase it.
Here. Oh, you want to chase it?
No. Yeah, go chase it. Look, where's the thing?
Gotta up and then back. There you go. I just try to keep it close enough so that you can. If you can get it, if you can control it, you can go up really high with it. You can probably see your palm. You got the video on? Uh-oh, you're getting out over the basketball court.
Don't know which one's back.
Yeah, you better bring it down. Luke, bring it down.
I'm going down. Keep going down.
Oh. So what are you going to do with it, Ben?
Fly.
Yeah?
So, I know how to do it.
Well, you got to wait for Luke to bring it back, right?
Okay. We're going to put it right here and it's going to fly it.
Yeah?
We got to watch out, guys.
We're going to have to watch out?
Yes, it's going to hurt your face and you're going to die.
Really? It's going to hurt my face and I'm going to die?
Yes. And my family, and it could hurt. You know, I gonna get hurt.
What?
I gotta. Okay, watch out.
Wait.
I gotta move it.
Yeah, you gotta go put it in position.
Yeah.
Oh.
What? What?
I don't know. I don't know how to work it. I think there's an on button. But wait. Dad's gonna come help you. He said everybody needs to be careful because it would hit us in the face and then we would die.
Oh.
Yes.
Let's go the other freaking way. Let's pull it down a little. It's too high. It needs.
Give me a nice boost running down that. It made me feel like I could go faster.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just had to. We're not
Luke always tends to be in the way. Benjamin just sneezed all over Luke's face. Luke? What are you doing? Snowman?
Yeah.
We're already wishing for snow?
Yeah.
Crazy.
I'm making the glass.
Grass angel? Snow angel?
Yeah.
Oh, you can kind of see it, huh?
Mom, hey, Daddy, look what's
You did a grass angel.
Yeah. Everything over here, too. Here. One is over there and one back. But do we do it?
Sure.
I gotta go over here. I gotta take my coat off.
Okay, put it with Luke's coat. Ready, set, go! Ready, set, go! Dad's holding the drone, is why.
Oh, yeah.
Nux? Tired Benny. I would do it back over here where there's no poop.
Mom, let's see how fast I can jump that. Ready?
Wait, he's doing a snow angel.
Wait, I'm gonna try to do it back then. Poop.
Where?
Poop.
I don't see it. Poop.
I'm gonna go hop the fence. Fast as possible. Fastest fence hop yet. Ready? Let's try to do it faster.
Okay, let's see.
I'm thinking of trying to just push myself over. Just going.
Let's see. Let's see if you can do it.
But I don't want to hurt my crotch. I can't get myself.
You just gave yourself the mental block. Try again. Hop the fence.
I can already hop the fence by going.
We'll do it the same way.
I was going.
Okay, we can go to the playground. we want to walk up to the playground.
Okay.
Let's go.
You want to lock the car?
Oh yeah.
You can shut that off occasionally.
I'm gonna try and go from here to there.
See it.
This is the exact one that we have at my school. I got Lucky. It's more secure. So let's go. Playground.
Pulled it off.
Hey, Daddy, want to see me go there? Playground?
Missed that one. Look.
That was fun. Dad was hoping for a wipeout.
I was. I hope I got it. I'm not positive.
Well, if you didn't, I had a massive.
Wow, look at Finn. Oh,
Somebody help me.
you can keep going.
Here. Ready, Dad? I'm gonna try that again. Here. Can do something.
Nice.
I'm gonna try and jump from this one too. Okay. First try. I'm gonna try and jump to there. Think I can?
I hope not. It's about 6 feet, 5 feet.
I'm scared. Watch out. Then yeah, George, watch out. I know it. I think I can do it. Because that's about the size of that. So I
Yeah?
could go.
Okay. No problem. That was easy.
Magical.
Why are you dressed like that?
It's my everyday outfit,
Yeah.
don't you
Looks
know?
nice. Going on a date?
Look at my support hose.
Very nice. Very nice.
I'm going on a date.
Callie's got a date. She's dressed up. Beautiful. What are you really doing?
Going to Madricals.
What's that?
A concert show I bet we have to do for my school.
Oh, nice.
And they serve dinner to people there.
Nice.
So
We're not going.
that's okay.
Sorry.
I don't do anything anyways. I
Yeah,
sit there.
next year.
I sit there and then I sing at the end. And yeah, pretty
Good.
much.
You want to give us a hint of what you're singing?
No.
Oh, come on. A little intro. Go.
Happy birthday. Like that.
Oh,
There you go.
does it involve my poop is black? No? You're not allowed to sing
My
that?
poop is black,
Doesn't have that on there?
and I don't know why.
And
I think it
and where are we going, Viv? Oh, Vivian.
be the shepherd's pie.
Where are we going?
What is wrong with your hair?
We're going to see animals at Winding Trails? Oh, cool.
Footloose
Hopefully we find some good ones.
I got a nest. Because I'm the bird man.
Where's your nest?
He just had it.
Oh,
Oh, I put it down.
Look at this side.
yeah, a little bit of a nest.
Mushroom head.
All right,
Yes.
we're ready to go, and Mom has a foot injury,
Actually singing.
so she's still gonna go with us. Benny doesn't want you to see her foot injury.
Mom, just
I'm gonna come.
Can I bring
All
these
right.
magical?
Come on,
All
see.
right.
All right, we had pizza for dinner. It's all over the place. Time to go.
Mom, let's give you.
All right, this is the building where Callie is singing tonight. It looks like a castle. And is it like a medieval dinner?
Yeah.
That's what they're doing, is the theme. So we are dropping her off.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you.
Have fun.
Get out. Don't get run over.
Out there, I see a bone up there.
You see a what?
A bone.
A bone?
Yeah, just a pendant bone.
Oh, cool. A pretended bone?
Yeah.
Cool.
One of them slipped, both of them slipped, and then they both hit the door, and then one didn't hide in the
All right, we made it to Winding Trails.
We
Been
did.
here for about a half hour, sitting in the car. Got here early 'cause there was no traffic.
Yeah, we got traffic.
We didn't really. We just dropped Callie off and came straight
Daddy,
over.
that one for me, Daddy. We need
It's
it.
pretty dark out here.
Yeah, it looks like a video game. Yeah. Where, like, right where you are, it's light, and then all around you, in the other areas, it's dark. I walk on here. And then when you walk over there, it starts to get lighter and lighter.
Yeah, there's a light on that building right there. Oh, somebody did park in our spot over there.
Little bunny.
Can you see the bird?
Yeah, did you see it climbs upside down? Yes.
What color is he?
Purple.
That's it. He's purple. He's purple. Looks like he's dancing. Doesn't he, the bird?
What's going on?
The white bird's dancing.
Oh yeah.
Again. Oh.
I think they're gonna take that bird out.
Yeah, it's gonna fly around.
You think so?
And I'm gonna land on your head, Dad.
My bald head?
Yes. Dad,
Well, that's not good.
look. He's going to.
He's looking at Luke like, this is to
Let it go. Go, go, go. Whoa, it's upside down.
get those kids to bed.
So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting the presentation. I do have
amazing Christmas lights, so you can drive right through it all and drive right past our zoo. So that does bring us to our first point, that we do keep all of our animals year-round with us. We are closed to the public right now. We'll open them up back up in the spring, so if you'd like to come visit us, basically as soon as that snow melts, we're open right back up. So Ella's ready to go, so I'm going to go over a couple of our rules. You know that birds can come in all different colors. Even here in Connecticut, there are like cardinals that are bright red and blue jays. The type of bird that Ella is supposed to be all white. So she's not. All our parrots that we have at the zoo were former pets before. One of the reasons that people get rid of their birds and donate them to us is that Ella. So these are a couple of chinchillas. Okay. And chinchillas, when we talk a lot about animals that like to live where it's really warm and tropical, like our friend Ella, chinchillas actually come from where it is very cold outside. So they live in the Andes Mountains down in South America. Most people think of South America as being very, very warm and tropical, but just like any mountain, by the time you get to the top of it, it's going to be very, very cold.
Bird's talking. Ella is talking.
So they actually look like mini versions of mom and dad. So one thing I remind you is that, remember, we do not have any dangerous or scary snakes. These are two of our smallest, and
I don't like them either, but we can just look at them. We
they
don't have
are
to go anywhere near them.
a corn
We can
snake.
just look.
And corn snakes will come in different colors. When you think about corn, the
not gonna wear it.
jacket right here, right? We have
No, you're not gonna wear it.
4 different corn snakes at the zoo, and this is pumpkin. That is snow. You can see how they got their names. So we have an orange one. I will tell you that this is about as big as a corn snake is going to get. All right. So they are not a big giant snake. We do have bigger snakes that we could have brought, but we wanted to bring 2 of them so we can both walk around. That tube up there is just like when you have a dog or a cat at home. There's little places for them to go and hide and play with. That little tube was actually where Pumpkin was when we went to go get her. She was just kind of in there taking a little snooze so that they have a very exciting life at the zoo. And we can just kind of use things that are recyclable like that, or old phone books. A lot of cardboard boxes are very popular at the zoo. Now, as Pumpkin and Snow are coming around, you're going to see that they are sticking their tongues out. Does anybody know why does a snake stick their tongue out? And they're not doing it to be silly, you know? They want to lick people? You want to lick you? No. That's one sense that they can't use. They do have eyes, but they can't really see that well. So that sense of smell will quickly tell them what's nearby, if there's any food, which is normally mice or rats. And as you can see, they are a couple of our ferrets. All right. And if you ever come to the zoo, a lot of times in the daytime, they're going to be kind of sleeping, not really doing much. Right now, if you've heard any noise or anything like that, squeaking or wrestling, that was the ferrets. All right. We have 6 of them, and they can sleep and eat. Now, one thing about these ferrets, like I said, they're a lot like a snake. So, if you see that really kind of long, slender body that they have, that's a really good adaptation because when the wild ferrets, a lot of their food is marine.
I'm the bird man. I'm a bird man.
And one thing about those weasels is that they all kind of smell. Okay? So even when we give our ferret a bath, they would kind of stink afterwards. Yeah, they don't really look like dragons, but what happens is that people used to write stories about animals that they thought maybe looked a little bit like dragons. So that's how they got their name, probably. So this is Clover.
Who do you want to touch, Benny?
Chinchilla and a dragon.
Yeah. What are you going to touch, Lou?
The chinchilla and roll.
Oh,
Roll.
an armadillo.
I can lift him up.
Tell me if you softer the chinchilla. What do you think? Stop. Bad dog.
Sorry.
It's all right. It's all right.
You right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I do rabbits.
Oh, okay.
I had to get down to the little.
Oh, I thought she was falling.
No. I was coming up.
And then make sure you guys wash your hands as well, okay? Good job, guys. All right. Oh, really? Yeah, they like to be really high. All right, nice job. Or the armadillo. Wow, where are you going?
Thank you.
All right, you got it.
I'm the bird man.